Welcome to another episode of Enjoying Life at Home.
Yeah.
Terminology then and now. Today's episode is walk to shopping.
Okay.
What did it mean and what does it mean now?
Walk to shopping. Walk to shopping, when you used to see that on a listing, it meant it was probably across the street from a Walmart. But now it could very likely mean that you have coffee shops and nail shops and a whole little walkability neighborhood. It could mean that.
It could.
And I love those neighborhoods.
Because you know what it could mean? You could actually walk to shopping.
That's good. All right, give me another one.
Okay. Off-street parking.
Okay, off-street parking used to mean you were not going to park anywhere near that place. And now it means everybody wants to live in that community. That's what it means now. Right?
But you're still not going to park anywhere near
Well,
that.
not necessarily, but
Okay.
yeah, okay. All right,
All right. Mature trees.
mature trees.
Then and
Yeah,
now.
okay, mature trees used to mean things might be a little overgrown, like weeds and trees need pruning and everything, and now it means the privacy. It's gonna be so beautiful to look out the window and see those beautiful mature trees.
Yeah. Okay. Use caution when viewing the property.
Usually meant you should use caution.
Caution. Careful. Caution.
Before viewing the property. There could be some rickety boards, or it could mean anything. And so now what it means today, it means use caution when entering the property.
Some things never change.
That's what it means.
So
Yeah, hey, I did pretty good.
yeah, way to go.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so that's it. That's the information that we have to share. But if you want more information,
This is Enjoying Life at Home.
call us,
This is our show.
email us.
Text us.
Enjoying life
Text us. At home.
The Keil team is with Keller Williams Realty.
615-778-1818.